Good Saturday morning to everybody. We just cleaned out everything and fixing to go get Mama in here in a minute. Oh, look at all these big poopers. Yes, sir. Oh my goodness. Yeah, we finally got our new camera versus my cell phone. I'm hoping it does okay. Yeah, look at my little poopers all coming to see me. Yes, they are. Oh, she says, yeah, I don't know where Mama is. You gotta go get Mama. Aw, look at how many of them. One of them climbing right up in my lap. Hey, poopers. Oh, they're gonna be just like Mama, I bet. Mama or Dad, though. Awesome dogs, man. I don't know where milk is. Poopers! Poopers! I stuck some puppy chow in here the other day, and boy, they just got after it, man. Of course, they all fell in it, climbed in it, and that's where they went to sleep in after they chewed on it a little bit, though. Oh! I sure hope this one's gonna do okay. Well, I don't know where Mama is. Gotta go get Mama. It's a Mama alert. Oh, look at that little one. Be a little guy in here, though. A little petite pooper. Yeah, but I grow big. You just give me time. Oh, he's a big barker. Well, we're hungry. We're hungry. Go on, you poopers. I don't know about that. Okay, we fixing to go get Mama, though. We thought we'd just show you just a little poopers today. Oh, we're getting so many of them coming up. Yeah, gosh, they're going to retrieve that great gold of life for you. This much I can swear by, though. Aww. Golden retrievers are such a passionate dog, though. Not only to us, though, but to other dogs, too, though. They got a very gentle way about them. Plus, they're awful smart. You can train these guys for anything. Okay, there, little one. But got them all over here now. Yeah, you're going to have to go get our Mama. Okay, time to go get Mama in. Right back, y'all. Mama's been scared of me.
Y'all close them eyes. Let's go there in our minds. That's the path the future boy. Thank God he made it his way. Love it every day. Black coffee in the morning. Dark whiskey in the evening.
I'm hoping this camera does okay. Come on, Dreamy. It's okay, baby. It's okay, Dreamy. Hey, peppers. Oh. Lay down, Dreamy. Good girl, Mama. Of course, Mama just got back from her long walk. She's a happy little girl, too, though. Oh, it's a mad dash for precious Mama's milk. Yeah, Bubba. Don't let y'all miss out on it. Oh, little pinker butts. There you go, Mama. She laid down. I don't know if it's filming in, looks like one different light to another light. I hope it does okay. Little deedly dee. Just don't know where Mama is. Okay, man. I sure hope this little video did okay, y'all, man. Ordered it from Walmart for video cameras. It's a really excellent price, though. We're hoping the videos are going to show back, though, but it's only like $45, $50, though. If you go to Walmart, the cheapest one you can touch is right at $189 and $190. Then the second price one is $250, though. But that's why we ordered it online, though. Oh, look at these little poopers, y'all. They are just as hungry as they can be. Well, Mama Milk, gosh, I'm fancy just got to get the Mama Milk for you. Oh, next week though is her day. I'm hoping another 3 or 4 days. I'm gonna go ahead and try them outside because eventually though, especially after y'all come out and pick them out though, we're gonna be taking them outside every day though. And usually what happens, I'm a big chicken though. Usually I put them out early in the morning. I even got a special little wagon though I pull around with my lawnmower though, my puppy wagon though. But every morning I take them out early in the morning, and then around the evening time I bring them back in. They're gonna have some big adventures, let me tell you, brother. We got all kinds of little games for them to play, and of course you got to have your swinging chew toys though. Look at them try to dig in. Okay, y'all, I'm Rick, and this is my Dreamy, and our 11 little loving Goldens though. Hoping everybody has a very blessed and wonderful day.